Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. In our today's session, we are going to discuss about VMware Workstation installation. And before proceeding about the installation procedure, there is one prerequisite required to set up. I hope you might have already gone through my previous sessions, which will explain about virtualization enabling from BIOS level. So if you haven't gone through that session and if you haven't enabled the virtualization from your BIOS level, I suggest you to just go and check it out that session. And I will give that video link in our description of this video. So you can just go through that and enable the virtualization because without virtualization enabling any tools which we are going to install on our laptops, it's not going to work properly as expected. So I hope it's clear for you. And let's proceed about the VMware Workstation installation. So basically, I have already downloaded VMware Workstation full version. I will just show you how to go to that page. You can just go to the web browser and our Google page, and from there you can just search for VMware Workstation download. So it it officially launches on VMware portal for which is showing at the first level. So you can just go to download VMware Workstation Pro, and to download this, you need to create your login or you need to have the login. So if you don't have the login, it will ask to create or while downloading it will ask to sign in. So here it's taking a 16 version, but I'm going for the 17, which is the latest version for this lab purpose. And actually I have it's selected for Windows because I'm going to install it on Windows. If you wanted to use it on Linux, you can change it to Linux. So just go to downloads from here, and it selected the latest version now, the latest subversion in 17. So if you wanted to change, you can change it from here. You can just click on download now. So it started downloading, but I already have that. I'm just canceling this. I already downloaded the VMware Workstation. So now I have the downloaded version of VMware Workstation from VMware official site. So I'm going to download folder and then just run as administrator to install this VMware Workstation. So the installation has been started. So it has a very simple process of installing the VMware Workstation Pro as well. It's only with the licensing thing we have to check it out and accept the terms. And then, so if you want to change the directory of installation directory, you can change it from here. Just select whichever the directory you wanted to select, and then just click on OK. It will be selected and going with the default. And as of now, I'm going for trial version. I'm just unchecking these two, like check for product updates on startup and join the VMware Experience Improvement Program. So those two I'm unchecking because I doesn't require right now. And then it's going to create a shortcut on desktop and start menu programs folder. So just click next and install. The installation procedure has been started. And in the back end, it will try to write some configuration files and try to copy some required files in the installation directory, and it will try to configure something like registry which requires for this software to work, and it will try to install some drivers, network drivers, which maybe like as we discussed in Oracle VirtualBox installation, this will have some specific drivers required for this, like network adapters, all those things it is going to configure over here. So you can see that it's something happening in the backend. It's a cleaning up legacy virtual network drivers if something is available. And you can see that VMware Workstation Pro icon has been launched, and right now it's installing virtual network drivers, which is the latest version of drivers required for this. And if you can see here, it's something like it's a coming some pop-ups and going, which is trying to do some network adapters and then some of the drivers installations, all those things. So right now the installation is completed, and if you have the license key, you can just click on license and like you can provide the license key if you have purchased from VMware. And if you don't have, you can skip it, and it will continue to work with a trial version and just finish. Now it's completed. And even if you have finish the installation. Later on, if you have the license key available, you can launch the VMware Workstation, go to help, and here you can enter a license key. You can enter the license key, and then this will be enabled. Then once you click on OK, so the license key will be installed automatically, and then we will start using the licensed version. So right now we are just going to use it for the lab purpose. I'm continuing with this trial version. So that's a simple process about the VMware Workstation. I hope you got some information required for you for the installation of VMware. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. And in next session, I will be discussing about WSL for in from Windows. So I hope I will see you in the next session. And thank you.